If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Hbar update. We'll start off on Twitter. Make sure you're following me over here. We're looking at some previous predictions that have come to fruition. Just like this Casper one from last week where we were calling for an EMA repel down over here. It happened, and when we formed a double bottom which we broke out and met the technical target out of that. We also saw quite a similar thing with Hbar, if you find that right down over here. Again and again, Hbar will pump if the golden pocket holds. And if we scale back to my previous Hbar update, where we drew out this path, Hbar is about to break out. You must see this. And we got a whole bunch of views. Thank you so much for the continued support on the channel. Make sure underneath every single video, you're leaving a like, comment, subscribing, and sharing. It does help grow the channel. And we're trying to hit 7.5k before the end of this year. And what we saw with this Hbar chart analysis from my past updates, that if we continue to hold the 200 EMA as well as this purple box, which I think I just changed to gold because it was a golden pocket, and then yeah, we are looking for that continuation with the path drawn out exactly for you guys, because it looked like it was about to break out. We did have some wicks pushing through, so I saw that was at least an attempt, so I had to quickly make that update for you guys. And then as we can see, we have actually broken out and met the technical target at the golden pocket. So from one to the other, and essentially we're now falling back to a third golden pocket. If I use my fibs from this low to this high, we can see we're exactly where we need to be. We'll look into that in a bit, but let's carry on with this update. So when we're looking for uptrending structure, we're looking for some things. We're looking for what that is, higher highs and higher lows, but also what the 200 EMA is saying. And this serves as the bottom of our uptrend. So we're just looking for any bullish signals, which again, bullish means uptrend, uptrend means higher highs, higher lows. Any bullish signals appearing on or above this point, if we ever get down to it exactly and it is confirmed, wow, that's your optimal entry point going forward. However, you don't specifically need to confirm it as support. We're just looking for bullish signals that appear above it. And we're seeing multiple higher lows appearing over here with actual higher highs as well. It's just that from this most recent higher low, we haven't been given that higher high above 6.8 cent. And that is coming as long as what I'm going to mention in today's update, some levels need to be maintained and some levels need to be broken. If you want to hear more about this, please stay tuned. Also at the end of this update, I'll also speak more about the educational offers I have if you want to listen to them at the end of this video. So right now we're above the 200 EMA. When I look at this chart, I'm saying this is bullish as long as it's above it. We then bounced from one golden pocket to the other exactly as we predicted in our most recent Hbar update just before the weekend, and that's all come to fruition now. So we really are where we need to be, because once you reject this point, of course, there's the risk of now going into a downtrend, because if you understand what the Fibonacci tool is, it's a retracement tool. So we're marking out this big wave down, retracing back up into this level, looking for continuation lower. But we know there's more to it than just that. There's an opposite golden pocket. There's the 200 EMA. There's more to it than just knowing the black and white rules of the Fibonacci's. Why are there levels above this point if it's meant to go down only? It's because it doesn't have to go down. That's the path it should take. Does it have to? No. Nothing's 100% here. Get your head around that very quickly. You'll start to understand there's multiple ways of using certain tools. And so the reversal wave is created once you break through this level. And that is how we see eventual high highs above this point, in order to continue with the higher lows that we're seeing and the higher highs that we're seeing. We need to then take out this high over here for this to continue and confirm the uptrend. So we're seeing the very early stages of it. So holding the 200 EMA, attempting to break the golden pocket, falling from that, with potential new lows coming in, losing 200 EMA, new downtrend. But there's also that opposite golden pocket, which we are at right now. We've also got the moving averages that just formed a bullish cross on the 4-hour time frame, which is a signal that we cannot ignore. And going forward, as long as it can maintain where it is right now, which is 6.12 cents, then we're looking for an eventual reversal wave to be created with an eventual break of the 1 Fibonacci, taking us to 7.5 cent or 7.6, which, as we scale back to the daily time frame, is at a level that we've been targeting for some weeks or months now on the channel, suggesting that we are in this process of retracing all the way back up to the 7.5 cent high. You're now seeing this all in real time, slowly coming to fruition. You do need to maintain some certain key levels, which I showed you, being the 4-hour 200 EMA over here. And as we scale back to the daily time frame, we can see that is that would actually be in between the 20 and the 55 on the daily. It's right about there, so we know that you technically on the daily could even fall lower. So we've got these dotted lines on the channel, and we know that all in all, to keep this uptrend, we need to hold above this golden cross, and the lowest point of that support being there, and the lowest wick of that whole range being down here. So going forward, we just need to stick above this 5.4 5.7 cent area for continuation higher, and we're nowhere near that. We're well above that. We're at 6.23 cents. I've shown you in today's update the closer and lower time frame technical levels that need to hold for the continuation up into this target. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share. If you want to get educated so you can predict these moves just like me, then watch this little clip and take action using the links down below. Cheers, everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.